Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 7 best smart home and kitchen tools. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. LEVOIT Smart Humidifiers for Bedroom. Large Room Home 6L Cool Mist Top Fill Essential Oil Diffuser for Baby and Plants, Smart App and Voice Control, Rapid Humidification and Auto Mode Quiet Sleep Mode. Advanced sensors adjust humidity levels to maintain a consistent and healthy environment. Bid farewell to dry air and say hello to optimal well-being. Noise level, less than or equal to 30 dB. Frequency, 60 Hz. Enjoy 4x faster humidification, swiftly relieving dry discomfort. It runs for up to 60 hours, covering an area of 505 square feet, ensuring the perfect humidification tailored for you. Begin your day with morning aromatherapy. Thrive during family time with auto mode in the afternoon. Evening brings plant care with plant mode. Finally, enjoy sweet dreams with sleep mode. Monitor and adjust your home humidifier from anywhere, anytime. Break free from spatial barriers, customize schedules, and let it work its magic. Experience worry-free convenience at its best. One-step top refill ensures a leak-free pour. No corner is left untouched. Say goodbye to troublesome bottom refills, incomplete cleaning, and unhealthy mist. Please search LEVOIT Humidifier Replacement Filter, which can extend the life of your humidifier. We recommend using distilled/purified water better for your health. Please search LEVOIT Aroma Pads for more information, which can help emit a stronger fragrance and protect the fragrance box. Number 2. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 2.0 Wi-Fi. 1000 watts. Perfect results every time, never over or undercook your food again. The Anova Precision Cooker circulates water at the exact temperature required for perfectly cooked meals, no matter what's on your menu. Use the Anova app to access thousands of free recipes and monitor your cook from anywhere via your smartphone. Power 1100 watts, power 1100 watts. What to cook? Sous vide, pronounced sous vide, cooking offers the perfect level of doneness for nearly any food. Chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, beef, lamb, pork and more are all ideal foods for sous vide. The ability to lock in flavor and moisture during the cooking process results in texture and taste that is second to none. Easy to use, whether cooking a simple meal or an extravagant feast, the precision cooker heats water faster and holds temperature precisely so you can get cooking quicker than ever. It easily attaches to any stock pot or container with an adjustable clamp, and is water resistant for when accidents happen in the kitchen. Flow rate 8 liters/min. Customer experience. Designed in San Francisco, California, Anova delivers thousands of sous vide recipes for free in the Anova app, created for cooks of every skill level by award-winning chefs and home cooks alike. Anova app, free. Control your time and temp directly on the Anova app or on the cooker. Number 3. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug. App-controlled heated coffee mug with 80-minute battery life and improved design, black. Ember coffee mug with longer-lasting battery. Our updated smart coffee mug's extended battery life keeps your drink at your preferred temperature, between 120 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, for up to 80 minutes on a full charge or all day on its redesigned charging coaster. Smart with or without app, pair this temperature control mug with the Ember app to set the temperature, customize presets and more. Our self-heating coffee mug is also functional without the app and remembers your last used temperature, 135 degrees Fahrenheit out of box. Auto Sleep, our heated coffee mug intelligently senses when to turn on and off. The mug enters sleep mode when empty or after 2 hours of inactivity. Ember wakes up when it senses movement or liquid. Hand wash only, an updated scratch-resistant coating is safe to hand wash. Ember Mug 2 is IPX7 rated and fully submersible up to 1 meter deep. Perfect gift for a life well sipped, whether self-gifted or given to another. There's no better way to share warmth than a favorite drink at just the right temperature every time. Number 4. Midea Cube 20 Pint Dehumidifier for Basement. Up to 1,500 square feet dehumidifier with drain hose, Energy Star certificated, smart control, compatible with Alexa, white. 1,500 square feet of coverage. Midea dehumidifier with drain hose is able to collect 20 pint, similar to 30 pt 2012 DOE, of water a day and adjust humidity from 35% to 85%, perfect for use for basement, bathroom, bedroom, or crawl space. Smaller form, larger capacity, up to 3x larger water tank allows the Midea Cube dehumidifier to operate up to 3x longer than a conventional dehumidifier. You can enjoy more time without the hassle of emptying the water tank. Removable bucket with 3.2 gallons/12L bucket size. Dehumidifier with drain hose allows continuous drain option. Versatile, no bucket option provides more flexibility to remove moisture. You can remove the water tank and place the unit above the sink using the included drain hose, or position it over a floor drain, near a window or door. Smart control. The Midea Cube dehumidifiers for home are Wi-Fi enabled and can be controlled from anywhere through the cloud using the Smart Home app on iOS or Android. You can also use voice commands throughout your house, office, or apartment using Alexa or Google Assistant. Lift and Twist. World's first extendable dehumidifier for home offers unparalleled flexibility. Operate in extended or nested form. The nested design means you can easily find a place to store the unit when the space becomes dry, or extend it to its full capacity whenever you need it. Innovative features. The auto restart function limits disruption due to power outages by engaging your chosen settings as soon as power is restored. The auto defrost function prevents the collected water from being frozen and doing harm to the machine. Warranty and washable filter. Washable filter preserves air quality without expensive replacement parts. Warranty, 1-year parts and labor warranty. Number 5. INKBIRD ISV 100W Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker. 1000W immersion circulator with app control, accurate temperature control for home chefs, cooking, sous vide machines with 14 preset recipes, quiet operation. Wi-Fi remote control. The Wi-Fi sous vide cooker only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, but once connected with the sous vide machine with your router via app INKBIRD Pro, it could be checked and controlled anywhere you're. Powerful yet quiet cooker. This sous vide cooker keeps a homogeneous temperature for up to 20 L of water even at full 1000W output, ultra quiet with less than 40 dB noise at 1 M. Sous vide cooker and intelligent design. Our sous vide cooker features a wide temperature range of 77 to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 to 99 degrees Celsius, within 0.1 degrees Celsius accuracy and the max timer setting of 99 hours. Intuitive LCD touch controls allow effortless adjustment and tracking. Cook like a chef at home. Achieves restaurant quality meals with ease by preserving juices, moisture and flavors thanks to precise temperature control. Retains all of the health and nutrition benefits that are difficult to achieve from traditional cooking. Included easy to follow sous vide cooking recipe book recommended by top chefs. Reliable cooking partner. Additional calibration function is added to INKBIRD Precise Cooker, which can keep a more accurate temperature at any time. Calibration range, -10F 10F. Number 6. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Pro. 1200 watts, black and silver. Perfect results every time, never over or undercook your food again. The Anova Precision Cooker Pro circulates water at the exact temperature required for perfectly cooked meals, no matter what's on your menu. What to cook? Sous vide, pronounced sous vide, cooking offers the perfect level of doneness for nearly any food. Chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, beef, lamb, pork, and more are all ideal foods for sous vide circulation. The ability to lock in flavor and moisture during the cooking process results in texture and taste that is second to none. Our most powerful sous vide cooker, the Anova Precision Cooker Pro, was ruggedized to thrive in the most demanding of kitchens, able to heat up to 100 L of water when in a covered container, and run for a minimum of 10,000 hours straight. Constructed of stainless steel, it is drop tested and IPX7 rated. Drop it on the floor or dunk under water, and you can keep on cooking, no problem. Easy to use. Simply attach the precision cooker to your own pot or container, fill the pot or container with water, add your food in a sealed bag, and cook manually with the built-in controls or with the Anova app. Anova app, free. Control your time and temp directly on the Anova app or directly on the cooker itself. Anova app, subscription for $1.99 a month or $9.99 a year. Cancel subscription at any time. Get access to the ultimate sous vide educational content and cooking guides. Recipes from professional chefs and the food nerd community feed directly to your Precision Cooker Pro at the touch of a button. Continuous access to your personal recipes and cook history, ready to revisit or share with your friends and family. 2-week free trial included. Number 7. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano 2.0. Perfect results every time, never over or undercook your food again. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano circulates water at the exact temperature required for perfectly cooked meals, no matter what's on your menu. Temperature 092C, 32197F, plus or minus 0.1C, 0.2F, accuracy. What to cook? Sous vide, pronounced sous vide, cooking offers the perfect level of doneness for chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, beef, lamb, pork, and more. The ability to lock in flavor and moisture during the cooking process results in texture and taste that is second to none. Small but mighty, the 12.8 Anova Precision Cooker Nano stows away in any kitchen drawer next to the whisk and ladle, so your counters stay uncluttered and your favorite new cooking tool stays within reach. Nano easily attaches to any stock pot or container with a fixed clamp, and is constructed of super durable plastic that's easy to clean. Anova app, free precision cooker, control your cook directly on the app or on the cooker itself. Anova app, subscription for $1.99 a month or $9.99 a year, cancel subscription at any time, get access to the ultimate sous vide educational content and cooking guides. Recipes from professional chefs and the food nerd community feed directly to your precision cooker at the touch of a button. Continuous access to your personal recipes and cook history, ready to revisit or share with your friends and family. 2-week free trial included. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.